the Kingston Public Hospital, and I'm confirming that Superintendent Clunis passed on.
Superintendent of Police Leon Clunis has passed away 2 weeks after he had been injured in a violent ambush engineered by gunmen on the outskirts of Spanish Town that already claimed 2 of his colleagues. The senior policeman has been hospitalized since. Efforts to get a comment from family members proved futile. Members of the police high command are currently at the hospital and could not be reached for further comments. The public appears to be shocked at the senior officer's sudden passing, as he had reportedly been in a good spirit this week and had even given an interview to media personnel over a week ago.
The Kingston Public Hospital, and I'm confirming that Superintendent Clunis passed on earlier. It's early days. We do know that he was doing very well in terms of recovery. He was being prepared to be released from hospital. We understand he developed some complication and died shortly thereafter. There are currently a number of persons, at the hospital. His wife is there, along with colleagues, the chairman of the Police Officers Association, the Federation chairman, as well as the welfare officer, and a number of other persons, because his death came as a shock to us, because from all indication he was recovering very, very well, to the extent that he was to be discharged. The group was also addressed by the chief medical officer for the hospital, Dr. Wiley, and they too, from a medical standpoint, still trying to figure out what happened. But we are grieving at this time and just trying to lend as much support as we can to his wife and immediate family members that are here, because it is indeed a difficult time for us, because we thought we had passed the worst in terms of him and his recovery. So it is a significant loss to us, and we're just trying to see how we cope for the next few hours. The chaplaincy is here along with other support services from the Jamaica Constabulary Force. So we are holding on and doing the best we can to support each other at this time.
Welcome again, people. Remember to leave a comment below and share and like the video, and subscribe for more great content, and remember to check out one of our suggested videos on the screen. Until next time, peace.